Thank you for watching. I thought I'd give you some ideas on how to improve your motivation. Motivation for weight management is a very big topic, and it's likely that you've probably struggled before with motivation rising and falling. First, I'd like to let you know that that's completely normal. I did my research in motivation for weight management, and it turns out that motivation is a very unstable factor. It does naturally go up and down, and it probably will go up and down throughout your whole weight management process, which is fine. But now is probably a time, by the fact that you're watching this video, is probably a time when you're quite motivated. So I just wanted to give you a few little simple strategies to help build on that motivation and help you continue your motivation. Like I said, it does go up and down, but with certain psychological tools, you can help it vary at higher levels, which should be hopefully enough to help you get the results that you want. Basically, you can think of motivation very simply as a bunch of positive thoughts. So a lot of people think of motivation for weight management that's kind of like this mystical force that comes, and when it comes, I get my eating plan together and I'm out at the gym, and then it goes, and it's almost like, oh, where did that motivation go? But it is something that you can build and grow and develop, and the simplest way to do that is to think about what you want. So the three biggest reasons that people generally give for their motivation to reduce their body weight are their health, some psychologically based reason like confidence, and their appearance. Now, what I'd like you to think about is, maybe one or two or all three of those main reasons resonate with you. But what my research found, and it kind of really confirmed previous research, is that the clearer that reason is in your mind, the better results you'll get, the more motivated you'll be, and the more weight you'll reduce. So if it is about your health, I'd invite you to think about, what is it specifically? Would you like to try and get off a certain blood pressure medication, or would you like to be able to walk a certain distance? Because the clearer that motivation is in your mind, the more motivated you'll be. Similarly, if it's about your looks, is it about your ability to go into a particular shop and buy a particular item of clothing? If so, what does that item of clothing look like? What style of dress is that? Is it about feeling more confident to walk into a room full of strangers that you don't know? Or is it about feeling more comfortable being with one particular person? Similarly, if it's a sort of a psychological based reason, think about what specifically you're looking for. Is it a general confidence, or might it be about an upcoming job interview or something like that? So I'd invite you to really kind of clarify your specific motivations. Now, of course, you're probably not just going to have one, and if you have a laundry list, that's fantastic, but I'd rather you have a laundry list of very specific motivations, because the more clear that picture is in your mind, the more believable it will be, the more motivated you'll feel, and the better results you'll get. Once you have that picture clear in your mind, then all you have to do is attend to it. So you can attend to it with an affirmation statement, you can attend to it with an affirmation picture, a little routine, something you say to yourself as you look in the mirror or get out of bed, a reminder on your phone or your screensaver, just anything that will help you pay attention to it. Because remember that all motivation is a bunch of positive thoughts. And the more you think about clearly exactly what you want, the more motivated you'll become. Even if your motivation does sort of vary from day to day, you'll stay more motivated throughout the course of your process, and you'll get better results.